So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the remote of Mitsubishi Electric Inverter AC in very detailed and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. After that, the next button is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will go on decreasing. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 31 degrees. If you just want cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then you should use it in 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel that 26 degrees is too cold, then set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees. And if you are feeling hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. The next button after that is fast. Generally, whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes, but by pressing the fast button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the fast button. In this, the room cools very quickly. The next button is light. By pressing the light button, the light on the display of the remote will turn on for 30 seconds. You can press this button only to turn on the light of the remote. After that, the next button is mode. There are 4 functions given in the mode button. On pressing the mode button, you will see the mode in the remote. Now the mode is in cool. Now the mode is in dry. Now the mode is in fan. Now the mode is in auto. Now I will tell you the details of the mode in very simple words. In cool mode, all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool, and in cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode after that is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat, so using the AC in dry removes that humidity. The next mode after that is fan mode. In fan, the AC will not cool, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want the cooling of the AC and you only want to use the fan of the AC, then you can use fan mode. After that, if you press the mode button again, the auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to its own. The next button after that is sleep. The sleep mode on Mitsubishi Inverter AC is designed to optimize temperature and energy consumption during sleep. It automatically adjusts the temperature by 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius every hour, up to a maximum of 3 degrees Celsius, to create a more comfortable sleeping environment. This feature helps to control body temperature and reduce energy consumption as compared to running the AC on a continuous setting. The next button after that is fan. This is for the speed of the fan that is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 6 speeds. Now the fan speed is in auto. Now the fan speed is in silent. Now the fan speed is in low. Now the fan speed is in medium. Now the fan speed is in high. Now the fan speed is in super high. You can control the speed of the fan according to your requirement. If you want to cool the room quickly, then set the fan speed to super high. The next button is wane. This button is for the wane function swing in front of the AC. It works in up and down. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, the swing flap of the AC will stop there. You can also see the direction of the swing in the remote and then press it again. On pressing this button, the swing flap will start working automatically. The next button is the second function of the wane. This button is for the swing inside the AC. It works from right to left. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing, by pressing this button, the swing of the AC will stop there, and by pressing this button again, the swing will start working automatically. The next function is timer. Before using the timer, you should pay attention whether the present time is set in the remote or not. If the present time is not set in the remote, then first of all you have to set the present time in the remote, only then you can use the timer function properly in your AC. So to set the present time, first of all press the clock button. As you can see, on pressing the clock button, the clock symbol has started blinking in the remote. Now you set the present time with the temperature up down button in the remote. For example, suppose that right now my mobile it is 12:20 in the afternoon. So now I will set 12:20 in the remote. And by pressing the clock button of the remote once, the present time will be set. The next button is timer on. To turn on the AC automatically, we first have to set the time in timer on. Suppose I want my AC to turn on automatically at 10 pm. So now I will set 10 pm with the up and down buttons of the timer of the remote. Now I have set the 10 pm time in the remote. Now again press the timer on button, which will set 10 pm. The next button is timer off. Now press the timer off button and set the time of timer off. As soon as you press the timer off button, you can see the time of timer off, it starts blinking, and pay attention to what time you want to turn off your AC, then set that time. Suppose I want to turn off the AC at 5 am, then I will set the time of 5 am, and then you press the timer off button, the timer will be set off. In the remote, you can see the time of timer on and timer off which we had set. The next button is reset. If your remote is not working properly or the buttons are not working properly, then by pressing the reset button, your AC remote will be reset and the AC remote will start working in a completely new way. It will feel good. The next button is check and unit. These two buttons are of no use to you. Both these buttons are for the use of the technician. If there is any problem in your AC, then the technician uses this button to fix that problem. If you understand the information given by me, then please like my video and subscribe my channel.